Hi guys, vanakkam, namaste, salam alaikum, ni hao, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Thanks for joining me. And if you've been watching the videos in this series, then I'd like to offer a very special thank you for being on this journey with me. We're about halfway through the journey, so let's keep going. So today we are on video 4, and today's step in the cooking process is the process itself. So we're going to be cutting vegetables, probably preparing the meat, maybe preparing the dough, depending on what we're cooking. So it's actually diving into the process. And when it comes to a success recipe, that's exactly what we're going to be doing. We've made the plans, we've set the goals, now it's time to start doing the work. And this is a very critical phase, my friends, because this is the time when it's easy to lose motivation, easy to get distracted. So how do we avoid that happening to us? So how do you think a person might be able to continue to stay focused and keep going on the journey towards his or her goals? We have to also remember that we don't want to experience burnout. A lot of times when we are over-focused on our goals or working towards any one particular thing, we could end up affecting other parts of our lives, right? And we don't want that happening. We want our life to be balanced. So how do you think someone can achieve the balance and the focus and at the same time stay accountable to what they need to do? I'd love to hear from you all, so keep writing in. Thank you very much. Take care until next time. Bye-bye.